practice of compassion is something religious matter. Now we must take this good opportunity.
When you have truly trusted friend there.
And another important factor is determination.
So when you have truly trusted friend there, if you need something, you can ask them. If you becoming friendless or lonely person, and when you really facing some problem, nobody you can share.
If there is possibility to eliminate that, then I think now we must take this good opportunity. This is human body, human brain, human good heart. Combine these two things. Try. Don't consider practice of compassion is something religious matter, or practice of compassion is something good for other, not necessarily to oneself. That's a totally mistake. And another important factor is determination. And you should not think this development can take place within a few days or few years. You see, these development even may take eon. So you say our determination.
Ultimate source of happy life is our inner value. Irrespective of whether believer or non-believer, whether believe religion or not, see, we should pay more attention about our inner value. If you do wrong things, mainly harming other, you get negative consequences. If you do helping other, bring more happiness to other, you get benefit. More inner strength there, and more sort of confidence of purpose of life and fulfillment about that purpose, then you always feel happy. You see, Buddha is taught, don't care for others saying. If one say too much praise, then at that time should think too much sort of, because of the pay much attention. These things are silly.
No.